All right, y'all. Today we're bringing the crunch, the high protein, and a little bit of rattlesnake to your plate. We're making these high protein cornflake chicken strips with a roadhouse style rattlesnake dip. And trust me, this one's got the kick and the crunch to shut down any drive-through craving. Smash that like button if you're here for the crunch and hit the subscribe button for the high protein flavor bombs coming out of PK Lounge at Cowtown, USA on YouTube. I don't have a ton of time for dinner, so 3 chicken breasts, some cornflakes, and we'll get this done. So take your chicken breasts and slice them into strips, just like this. In a Ziplock, get the air out of it and crush it up into not a dust, but just smaller flakes. I'm going to show you the ingredients that's going to make the dip for our cornflake chicken strips. Smash your garlic, then start chopping. I use a fresh jalapeno because they're readily available. If you want it spicy, leave the seeds in. If you want it kind of spicy, leave half the seeds in. Avocado. This is the base of the dip, is going to be cottage cheese. And then plain Greek yogurt, 5 ounces. And we're going to blend this till you can't even tell it's cottage cheese. Along with this step, we'll put our lime juice. After you blend it, now let's put the avocado in. Now, jalapeños, garlic, Cajun Two Step. Back to the blender. All right, we're going to season it up with all those seasonings. Up. I have the air fryer. I have the air fryer preheating. Now I got the chicken strips. Put them in the flour. Put them in the egg wash. 1, 2 cornflakes. Now we'll take each chicken strip, just lay it out. Halfway through, we're just gonna throw some Parmesan cheese on. Just take the Parmesan, sprinkle over. Look at those. Taste test. We got Joe's Kansas City. A buddy of mine from work gave me this. And then we got the jalapeno, but I don't try this. This is gonna be too hot for you.
Good. I like it.
1 out of 10.
Infinity.
Okay, try it.